Salutations to all disciples of knowledge and science. Today, we plunge into the journey of a genius, a visionary whose notions were so advanced, they molded the future. This is the tale of Nikola Tesla. Born in the year 1856 in the quaint hamlet of Smiljan, Croatia, a part of the expansive Austro-Hungarian Empire, Tesla was destined to etch his name into the annals of history. Brought up in a Serbian Orthodox family, he was the fourth of 5 children, and his early years were spent in the breathtaking landscapes of rural Croatia. His father, Milutin Tesla, was an Orthodox priest, and his mother, Duka Mandic, was an exceptional woman known for her inventive skills. This Serbian-American inventor, unrivaled in the realms of electrical and mechanical engineering, was also a futuristic thinker whose perception of the world was ahead of its time. At an early age, Tesla demonstrated an insatiable curiosity, coupled with a proclivity towards physics and mathematics. His unique ability to visualize complex scientific concepts in his mind even before penning them down set him apart from his peers. His fertile intellect was further cultivated at the renowned Technical University of Graz, Austria, where he immersed himself in the study of electricity, sowing the seeds of ideas that would later change the world. Tesla's early stint in Austria wasn't just about academics. It was here that he first conceptualized the idea of a rotating magnetic field, the foundation for his future inventions. The brushless alternating current, AC induction motor, which forms the backbone of modern power systems, was born out of these early experiments. Tesla was not just a man of science, he was a dreamer, a visionary who had an unwavering belief in the transformative power of his ideas. His mind was a treasure chest of inventions that were light years ahead of their time, many of which are still being unraveled and appreciated today. Numerous studies have analyzed Tesla's avant-garde ideas and inventions, marveling at their relevance even in the modern world. However, Tesla's odyssey was not a smooth sail. He battled a myriad of challenges and setbacks, including his struggle with mental health issues. He lived with an intense fear of germs, a condition known as obsessive-compulsive disorder, OCD, and was plagued hallucinations. But his spirit remained indomitable, his determination undeterred. He continued to innovate, to dream, and to shape the future, overcoming each obstacle that came his way. He was propelled by the conviction that science and technology could revolutionize society, and he devoted his life to turning that conviction into reality. Thus began Tesla's illustrious journey of relentless pursuit of knowledge, a journey marked by inventions and innovations that pushed the boundaries of imagination, setting the stage for a future as mesmerizing as it was unpredictable. Tesla's saga had only just commenced, and the world was on the brink of witnessing his unparalleled genius. As Tesla's career took off, he found himself in the midst of a heated debate, the current wars. Here's a man, a genius, a visionary, who, after his work on electrical equipment at the Continental Edison Company, ran headlong into a rivalry that would shape the future of electricity. This rivalry was with none other than Thomas Edison himself. The bone of contention, the best system for electrical power transmission, Edison's direct current, or DC, versus Tesla's alternating current, or AC. Let's put it simply. Direct current is like a one-way street, allowing electricity to flow in one direction. Alternating current, on the other hand, is more like a two-way street, allowing electricity to alternate directions. Edison, the boss man at Continental Edison Company, was a staunch advocate of direct current. But Tesla, ever the maverick, believed alternating current was the future. This disagreement sparked what we now know as the current wars, a battle of currents and ideas that would change the world. But then, the pivotal moment came in 1893 at the World's Columbian Exposition in Chicago. This event was a stage for the world's latest technological marvels, and electricity was in the spotlight. Tesla was given the opportunity to light up the entire fair with his AC system, and he pulled it off spectacularly. The success of Tesla's alternating current at the exposition was a game-changer. It demonstrated the practicality and efficiency of AC in a way that direct current couldn't match. People saw that AC could transmit electricity over long distances with minimal loss of power, a feat that DC struggled with. This victory at the exposition marked a turning point in the current wars. It signaled the decline of DC and the rise of AC, and with it, the rise of Nikola Tesla. And so the current wars ended, with Tesla's AC emerging as the superior system. With the current wars behind him, Tesla moved on to pioneering work that would forever etch his name into the annals of science. One of Tesla's most well-known inventions is the Tesla coil. This high-frequency transformer was an integral part of his experiments with electricity. It allowed him to generate and explore electrical phenomena like no one had before. The Tesla coil, still used to this day, was a testament to his ingenuity and foresight. But Tesla didn't stop there. He also turned his attention to radio waves. At his New York lab, he conducted several experiments that led him to believe he could transmit messages wirelessly. While this idea was met with skepticism, Tesla's unwavering belief in his vision propelled him forward. In pursuit of this goal, Tesla moved his operations to a larger lab in Colorado Springs. Here, he would delve deeper into the mysteries of radio waves. Experimenting with a myriad of devices, Tesla began to lay the foundation for the wireless communication system we all rely on today. His work at Colorado Springs led to impressive breakthroughs. Tesla's devices could transmit signals over long distances, a feat that seemed impossible at the time. He even managed to light up lamps wirelessly, a spectacle that left onlookers in awe. Tesla's dedication to his work was relentless. He believed in the power of wireless transmission and its potential to revolutionize the world. His determination led to the creation of the first wireless communication system, a precursor to the modern radio. However, the road to these achievements was not smooth. Tesla faced numerous obstacles, from financial struggles to skepticism from the scientific community. Despite these challenges, he remained committed to his vision, tirelessly working to bring his ideas to life. Tesla's groundbreaking work left a lasting impact, but his journey was not without its challenges. His inventions and theories continue to influence the world of science and technology, reminding us of the power of perseverance and the potential of a curious mind. Despite his remarkable achievements, Tesla's later years were marked by hardship. As a man who always had his eyes set on the horizon of possibilities, Tesla faced a series of financial struggles. His grand vision often outpaced his financial means, leading to the failure of his ambitious projects. One such project was the Wardenclyffe Tower, a wireless communication and power transmitter. Tesla envisioned a world connected through wireless technology, a concept far ahead of his time. Yet due to a lack of funding, the project was never completed, and the tower was eventually demolished. In his later years, Tesla became somewhat of a recluse, living in various New York hotels, funded by a series of patents, consulting assignments, and the occasional generous benefactor. Despite these struggles, Tesla never lost his spark of ingenuity, continuing to work on new ideas and inventions until his death in January of 1943. However, it's important to remember that the story of Tesla does not end with his passing. His death marked the beginning of a posthumous recognition that grew over time. Today, Tesla is celebrated as a pioneer of modern electricity and wireless communication. His theories and inventions have profoundly shaped our world, from the alternating current system that powers our homes to the radio and wireless technologies that connect us. His contributions to the field of electromagnetism are so significant that the International System of Units named the unit of magnetic flux density after him. The Tesla is now a common term in scientific discourse, a fitting tribute to a man who dedicated his life to science and innovation. Tesla's legacy continues to inspire, his life a testament to the power of innovation and the strength of the human spirit. Even in the face of adversity, Tesla's relentless pursuit of knowledge and his unwavering belief in his visions remind us that great ideas, no matter how initially misunderstood or undervalued, can change the world. And thus, we conclude our journey into the life and legacy of Nikola Tesla. A man of enigma and brilliance, Tesla's life was a testament to the power of human ingenuity and relentless curiosity. From the current wars that marked a turning point in his career to the numerous innovations and inventions that have shaped the world as we know it, Tesla's life was nothing short of extraordinary. His downfall, however, serves as a poignant reminder of the often harsh realities of the world. Yet his legacy continues to inspire and influence modern technology. Through his story, we see the true power of perseverance and the potential for greatness that lies within each one of us. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey. If you enjoyed this video, please do like, subscribe, and share it with others. Keep exploring, keep learning, and stay tuned for more exciting content.